How to remove permanently closed on Google Business. Hey everyone, this is Rose, and I'm here to guide you on how to remove permanently closed on business of Google. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Open a web browser on your device. Click search bar at top of the screen. Before that, sign into this Google account. Search My Business. Ensure to have a Google Business profile, and then it will be listed like this. Click View Profile button. Click three dots on this Google Business Profile dashboard. Click Business Profile Settings and select Link Accounts. Select Businesses at top left panel. And here we have our business profile. Simply you can check mark this option and then click Actions at top right corner of the screen. You can easily select permanently closed and this account will be permanently closed. Later, once it is permanently closed, you can easily check mark in this way, select the actions and now click remove business button and you have to go through all this information. So if you remove this businesses from your account, so this information will still appear on Google Maps, search and elsewhere on Google. So any Google business profile content that you are published for the businesses will be deleted, associated ad will be inactive, the businesses will be removed from anyone else to manage the same data for removed businesses cannot be recovered. So click on the remove button and then it will help us to remove permanently closed on Google Business. That's it. Thank you for watching.